Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. If you don't know now, you know. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So guys, in today's video we're going to be doing this fine, sexy, popping looking, gorgeous, sexy, wonderful looking hair. So the hairstylist just parted my hair into different parts and is going to be using those particular gel to hold it to make it look stylish. Yeah, I'm the one sitting. In case you're seeing my channel for the first time, I'm the one sitting and my hairstylist is making the art. So the back of this hair, I'm just going to be weaving braid in the back of it, and this braid I'm weaving is just a normal braid, but it's two colors. Like the back has the white color while the front is going to be having the black color. Yeah, black and white combination, you know, that kind of look. Oh my god, this hair, guys, it was so beautiful, so beautiful. You can't even imagine, like, the way I was looking at this in the mirror, like, it was just too cute. So okay, this is like a tutorial because I actually filmed this video very well for you to see the weaving and everything. So it's not just like I'm just showing the hair. It's also like a tutorial for those of us that don't know how to weave. This video will be helpful to you. So if you are interested to see the outcome or the process, the fine look, the Ghana weaving, the everything in this hair, keep on watching. So guys, for those of you that don't know what this style is being called, it's called the Fulani braid. That's what the style is being called. It's so cute. A lot of some people do with some coming to the front, but I prefer doing it like the way it is in this video. I feel that fits my face more better. So yeah, the hair is so nice. So guys, if you see my channel for the first time, please do me a favor by subscribing. Yeah guys, so we almost done with the back, the white side. Guys, that's so cute. No, it's so cute. Can you see that? So yeah, don't mind us, we are using the pen. I was under session the L because she said she could not get the right, like the center of my hair. She could not get the straight line, so I said okay, let me session it myself. But guys, yeah, don't mind the fact that we are using a pen. My comb that I normally used to make hair and all of that, I could not find that particular day, so that's why we are using a pen. So please neglect that. I don't know if it's a new style, but it's not the new style. It's just because I could not find my comb. And guys, look closely to those Ghana weaving that she's doing. If you notice, this is like, should I say, a special type. She really know how to do it in a unique way, like the way when she take it, and she's not going to take it round. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's not going to take it round, it's going to take it to the other side. That's so cute. It makes the weaving look more neat. Is it more neat or give it more style? Yeah, that's how it was. So yeah, keep on watching.
I was not even videoing that part, so I was like,
Yeah, guys, check this out. Just check this out. It's super cute, isn't it? It's super cute. So those part she's waving right now is actually the last session of the hair, the only hair that's remaining. And yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, guys, so this is so cute, and now she's going to trim it and put it inside hot water and cut a little part. So this will be the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up, like, comment and share. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.